Hey guys, if you're watching this video, probably you are looking for some online business opportunities and get to know about affiliate marketings and want to know more about affiliate marketings. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what is affiliate marketings and how does it work. And also will bring you through few of the important things or facts that you need to know before you start your affiliate journey. Okay. If you are new to this channel, my name is Jasper Cole. I'm an affiliate marketer. In this channel, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketings, digital marketings, and online entrepreneurship related topics. If you are interested on this topic, feel free to hit the subscribe buttons. Okay, let's get started on today's topic. So, what is affiliate marketing? The concept of affiliate marketing is quite easy to understand, and it already existed for some time. There are only three parties involved in affiliate marketing. One is vendor or the service provider who own the product. Another one is the affiliate marketers who market or promote the product of the vendors. And the third one is the consumer or the customers. Once the consumer or customer purchase the product through the link of the affiliate marketers, some portions of the profit will go to the affiliate marketer as commissions. So the percentage of the commissions will depends on the product or niche you are in. In general, the margins of the digital product will be higher than the physical products, but the conversion rate of the digital product is relatively lower than the physical products. Okay, so some of you may wonder how the vendor or the service provider know where are the sales coming from. So how they identify the affiliates. So once the affiliate marketers register as an affiliate of a company to promote a particular product, whether it's digital or physical, then they will get a unique link or URL. Okay, the link will have the identifier to identify the affiliate marketers. Okay, once they then they will post the link to their content. Once the customer purchase the product through that link, then they will know these sales are coming from which affiliates, and then counted the sales into the person's account. Okay, then they can pay the commissions correctly. Okay, next let us discuss about the 5 important things or facts that you need to know before you start your affiliate journey. The first point is the affiliate marketing industry. According to Statista, the affiliate marketing industry is worth of $12 billion in 2021, and it is growing at 10% annually. The spending in US alone is expected to reach over $8 billion by 2022. So try to imagine how big this industry is, and the opportunities of the affiliate marketing is actually endless. Second point is try to choose a niche that you're interested and try to focus and work on it. Don't go out of too far from your niche. One of the common mistakes or the misperceptions that many of the beginner will have is the more product they promote, they will make more money. Okay, this is actually not quite true, because when you promote many product from different niches, right, you do not have the authority on a certain niche, and cause your content not able to rank well in a certain niche, and then this will eventually affect your traffic and the conversion rate. Okay, so what you need to do is choose a niche that you're interested, and then continuously focus to work on it, so that you can build up your authority on a certain niche and get your videos or content to rank higher. Next point is about content creations and value givens. As an affiliate marketers, what we need to do is to create as much content as possible and to give values to our audience. The more values your audience receive from you, the more likely they will know, like, and trust you. And trust is the basic and core element of every business. Okay, I hope this makes sense, because by comparing the person or an audience that trusts you to an audience that do not trust you, an audience that trusts and know and like you will be more connected to the audience that don't even know you or maybe don't like you at all. So once you give them enough values, they will more likely to trust and like you. Okay, I hope this makes sense. People that do not trust you will not buy from you. The fourth point, traffic dictates your success. Traffic is one of the most important factors for affiliate marketing. The more traffic you get, the more successful you will be. So be patient, consistently giving values and grow your audience. Once your audience size is growing bigger, you will get more and more traffic naturally. One thing you need to know about traffic is you need to find out where is your dream customer is hanging around on the internet and get a way to go in front of your dream customer. For example, you can do some topic that your dream customer is likely to search on so that they have chance to watch your videos or your content and then connected with you. Okay, and of course there are still many other way to get traffic. For example, like using paid ads or using collaborate with some of the big influencers online, but there's another topics. The last point, practice call to actions. Many people might be overlooked, but this is the important point as well. So no matter what content you're creating, whether it's video or blog post, you need to be good at incorporating the product into your content. You try to make your tone to be more neutral and bring out your product advantages naturally. Don't be too salesy because it will turn off a lot of people. If you're interested on affiliate marketing and want to learn more about it, just click the link in the description box below. It will bring you to my website. You just need to fill in your email address and I will send you a 4-day workshop for free. In the workshop, one of my most successful and experienced mentor will bring you through on how to set up a profitable affiliate marketing business step by step and what are the common mistakes that you can avoid so that you can model it and implement it into your business immediately. Okay, let me know if you get some value in today's videos in the comment box below and give me a thumbs up if you like and hit the subscribe buttons for the next video. This is Jasper. I'll see you soon. Bye.